Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken salad diet-friendly. First, select your protein. Cooked chicken breast is ideal for a lean base, offering excellent protein without excess fat. Make sure it's fully cooled before you start mixing. Shred or dice it into small, consistent pieces. This ensures every bite is balanced and delicious, setting the stage for a healthy and tasty meal. Next, let's tackle the dressing. Instead of traditional mayonnaise, opt for plain Greek yogurt. It provides a similar creamy texture with significantly fewer calories and more protein. You can also add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil for healthy fats. Fresh herbs, such as dill or chives, will brighten the flavor without adding extra calories. This swap makes a big difference. Now, let's boost the nutritional value and texture with vegetables. Finely chopped celery, bell peppers, or cucumber add a satisfying crunch and essential vitamins. For a touch of natural sweetness, consider adding a 1/4 cup of grapes or diced apple. If you like nuts, 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds can provide healthy fats and another layer of texture. These additions make your salad more filling. Finally, how you serve your chicken salad matters. Enjoy it in crisp lettuce cups for a low-carb option or on whole-grain crackers for a bit more substance. Remember, portion control is crucial for any diet, so be mindful of your serving size. And hey, while you're making healthy choices, why not treat your feet? Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.